Hi, I hope everyone is alright today. I want to unbox with you this Human Hair Wig by Popwigshop. Mama. Very excited. It looks like a really wearable, everyday style. So, can't wait to see it. I have not even peeked. I will be as surprised as you are. So, it comes in this really cute box with the Popwigshop Mama logo on here. So, it's really sturdy box. And then you get a brush, and then you have the wig in this silk bag. Oh, I like this color. Oh, look at that. The hair feels really soft, even through the net already, so it is safely packaged in the net and sits on this tissue paper, again, just to make sure everything is safe. This feels really light. Wow. Oh, the hair feels amazing. Really soft. Look at it. Oh, this is like a chocolatey kind of color with some lighter pieces running through it. Really pretty. You have a lace front, and then you have a silk top. I will show you that in a minute. You have silicone covered or polyurethane covered ear tabs. They're really nice and big, so they will really sit really close to the head. And then you have some metal stays in them as well. So again, it just will help you mold it to your head really nicely. So you have that lace front, so you will have to trim it. And we will look at the hairline once I have it on. You have a hand-tied section here, and you have really soft covered wefts at the back and extended. I don't think it's velvet, but it's a really soft nape. And then you have hook adjusters. A little bit of stretch in this cap. And then look at this. Natural part. So natural. Wow. So let's look at the hairline. Oh, that looks good too. So what I noticed straight away is that the fibers want to fall to the front. So I prefer my fibers back. So I will probably have to do a little bit of work with them. But that's normal with any human hair wig. They all will need a bit of styling. And I would also say to check the quality of the hair is wash the wig fairly straight away. So you get a feel for the wig and the quality of the hair. Because it should be the same quality after washing than it is when you first get it out of the box. If it is, you know it's really good hair. If it isn't, the quality isn't very high. And I will do a video on me washing this. Let me pop that. Oh, that's way too far back. Right. 4 fingers, so it needs to be come back a bit down a bit more. Yeah, that's about the right. Oh, oh, look how cute. Yeah, see, this is what I mean. It does fall, but it's not a problem to change the direction of the. So you could either wet it and then pull it back to where you want it to go, or blow dry it. Or if you like this look, you don't need to do anything. But this is the beauty of human hair wigs. You can change it to whichever you want it to be. It's like your bio hair. But let me just show you this wig without me doing anything, straight out of the box. This length is great. Still long enough for a little bit of styling, so you can put waves and curls into it. You can put it up in a pony. You can just have it down like this. This hair feels really lovely and soft. Let me show you the hairline. Always really important, especially if you're like me and want to pull it back from your face. This is lovely. This looks really nice. I like that it's a very irregular line, so it's not straight. So you have a bit of a widow's peak here, and you come up here. This looks really nice. And then look at the part. And then you can part it where you like. So I might just change it slightly off center. Look how natural this looks. Isn't that amazing? This is a great piece. As I said, it feels really light. The hair feels lovely, really soft, moves lovely. The density, so natural. Not too low, not too high at all. So you can tuck it. Oh, it is adorable. It's a great piece for every day. So tell me what you think, and obviously I will do a proper in-depth review of this piece on my YouTube channel, so subscribe there if you don't want to miss that. Can't wait to wash it, style it, and make it more me. I already like it as it is, but it's just nice playing with human hair wigs. Stay tuned if you're interested on how it air dries, also for my styling video, and obviously I will also cut the lace as well, so you get an idea of what that looks like once it's cut. Have a lovely day, and I hope I see you for any of those videos very, very soon. Bye.